Drone Helpline is a philanthropic initiative of the drone community jointly started to form an industry-steered, non-governmental organization to start world's first dedicated drone helpline number 8100-313131 for emergency response with a mission to leverage the latest drone technology to strengthen the existing government and non-government emergency response team, as well as support government's initiative in spreading awareness about DGCA's drone rules and regulations in India to make the drone community grow more responsible, indeed making the sky more safer to fly. We believe in what Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam once said, you have to dream big before your dreams can come true. Our focus is simple yet hard. It's an initiative to build a community with the drone pilots, drone startups, and the enthusiasts with the help of industry experts, researchers, mentors, visionaries, technology leaders, policymakers, government, and non-government bodies to share their expertise and drive this initiative for bridging the issues being faced by the drone industry, and also for implementing drones for emergency response by establishing strong global collaborations. So come, let's join hands together to make India the drone hub of the world.